The 1964 Polara 500 was Dodge's answer to Chevy's Impala Supersport and Ford's Galaxie 500 XL. It was aptly named to be marketed on the excitement of the space race of the early 60s. Dodge only produced the midsize model from 62 to 64, then went back to the full-size Polara until 1973, when it was replaced by the Monaco. The 1964 Polara 500 was only available as a coupe with hardtop or convertible, the convertible being the far more rare edition with only 4% of total production, at only 2,624 out of the 65,000 produced that year. Polara featured a 5.9-liter V8 with 299 horsepower, a 4-speed manual transmission, a redesigned front end, and 6 square taillights with bright trim to distinguish it from the previous model year.